So this morning the sky was clean, it was blue, and then trails left from the plains, and as you can see there is more trails going on, and as since those trails they keep going on, the sky it's now covered of a very thin layer of what I can call like fucking chemicals, metals, suspended metals, fake clouds. That's the only way I can describe it. On the side of the hills there is like they went all around the mountains, like to cover them up. It's a disgrace. This is real terrorism. This is real terrorism, and our government knows about it. Look at the sky. Look there. You can see it very clear. They went all around. If you can see, they went all around. You can see the circle, and then they went all there on the side of the sun, as usual, try to covering the sun up, and going all around. This is the terrorism. This is our government against their own population. This is corporations against people. Look at the line now. Look at that, going toward the sun, and they will expand and cover it up.